Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a product over from your Wix site. So maybe you just added a lot of products to your Wix site, but you accidentally added one too many, and in order to actually start deleting those products because you don't want them anymore, all you need to do is click on Manage Products once you hover over your products page right here. Alright, so after a few seconds of loading, you will get to this page where you will see all your products, and then in order to actually delete a product, all you need to do is select the product you want to delete and click right here on this box just next to it, right here. And what you then want to do is you can click on More Actions and you can click on Delete, and then that product will be deleted from your Wix site and from your product page. Now let's say that I don't want to delete it, I only want to hide it because it's maybe out of stock. Then you can also set the visibility to, of course, from hide from online store or show in online store. So if you click this, then it will not be shown over on your store, but you can easily change it again by clicking here. So that's really cool as well. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.